Hey Trish, how you doing? It's Leo again. Here's the video I wanted to get sent to you with the tips and tricks that can be done in-house to help bring in more business using your website and your Google business profile. I'd love to hear some feedback from you and hope the video is helpful and the strategies are educational. I know that you said you're in the middle of a rebuild right now, so again, I just wanted to send this video to you so you and whoever is rebuilding it might be able to get an idea, because whenever I checked this website out, I didn't see a lot of SEO on there, and I didn't see a lot of things on here. So I wanted to show you. Whoever's building it out will probably understand it too. So this would be something good to show them or watch it with them. Love your website. Love the logo up here. It's really cool. But if I had to make any suggestion, my biggest suggestion would be content. Google loves content. So much so is there's just now the second update for 2022. Both of them was concerning content. So the pages that don't have the content that Google is expecting will be bumped from the front page. And those are going into effect soon. I would say, I don't know. It's just, they're going to start rolling out. They've already started rolling it out. So within the next few months, it's definitely going to start taking effect, if not sooner. You can never tell with them guys. But Google wants to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words of command content on the home page. And throughout that content, you want to add buyer intent keywords that you want to be found for in Google searches, where you're located and what services you offer. Now, another good thing to do is whenever you're saving your photos in your videos, make sure that you're saving them as buyer intent keywords, because those are considered content as well. So this photo right here with the water heater, I would have something like water heater installment, Lexington, Kentucky water heater repair. Something like that that tells the service, the city and state that the service is being done in. That is a buyer intent keyword. Now, what I've done is I've actually taken your website and put it into a tool I use called Ahrefs, and it's going to give me your analytics and where you're setting. So right here is your DR, and this is your trust that your website has with Google, and this is out of 100. There's 427 backlinks, and there's 98 referring domains. And if you implement these tips and tricks that I'll show you, it's going to help boost this number right here. And a backlink is simply a website linking to another website via clickable button or text. Not all backlinks are created equal. There are some that are more spammy than others and some that's more authoritative. So you really want to go after the backlinks that's more authoritative and relevant to your industry and that's local to you. As of right now, you got 69 keywords with the organic traffic of 15. So that means 15 people are being driven to your site each month from the searches through the organic keywords. Plumbers, Lexington, Kentucky is a good organic keyword. You're in position 33. Lexington Plumbing, it's okay, but there's also another state that has Lexington in it, South Carolina, I think. So having Lexington, Kentucky Plumbing would benefit you more for the people that's actually in your area searching. Plumbing, Lexington, Kentucky, another pretty good buyer intent keyword. So you're on track here. You're just really lacking the content. So how I found you was the buyer intent keyword phrase, plumbers, Lexington, Kentucky. At the top, it's always, you usually see, not always, but most time it's local in Google Ads. Which is a great way to get business, but once you stop paying for those ads, you're gone. Whoever the next person is paying ads is going to be coming in that category next. Under that, you see the map pack, the Google Maps, and this is a good place to be right here because that's the next thing that people see after the ads. You're not in this top 3 right now, and that's okay. There are several ways to get there. You want to make sure that you're constantly adding reviews. Make sure that your business name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet. You definitely don't want to mislead Google. There's a 750 character About Us section at the bottom that you want to fill out. And don't forget to add keywords in that as well. By posting branded, geotagged, and geolocated photos weekly, it really helps you rank organically. And that's, again, like I showed you in the photo with the water heater. Make sure that you're getting those buyer intent keyword phrases in those photos on your Google business profile. Not only on your website, but both. and adding citations. And the citation is your business name, address, and phone number, and things like Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yext, Yelp, because honestly, Google is like a big popularity contest, honestly. So the more information you give out to as many directories as possible, it'll start to move that DR number up. So it'll make Google trust you more, and it'll help boost your business, not only in your area, but also the surrounding areas as well. Being in the Google Map Pack gives you about 30 to 40% of traffic that goes to your website and then gives you a call from there. Now, down here is the analytics. And this is number one under the ads. This is the number one company, H2O Mysterio. And I've got their website pulled up right here. And as you can see, they don't have a lot of content either. So again, they're going to be somebody that falls victim to the new update. If whoever's running these websites for them is not on top of the updates, they'll start losing rank and they won't know why. Once they start searching it, they'll see. Again, they're not utilizing the photos as buyer intent keywords either. So that's another missed opportunity. But what I will say that they are doing good is they've got the schedule now up here at the top. They've got the phone number that you can click to call, because most people they're searching on their cell phone. So having the name, number right up top, the email, it really gives the customer an opportunity to get right to this website and start clicking the call and then get right through. Now put in right here, Plumbers, Lexington, Kentucky, and it's going to show all the numbers you see. So you can see there's a decent amount of volume here. So Plumbers, Lexington, Kentucky is a keyword difficulty of 4, and that's out of 100. The single digit keyword difficulties are a lot easier to rank for. And Plumbers, Lexington, Kentucky, if that's embedded into your content, there's 1,200 people every single month searching that keyword phrase. Plumbing, Lexington, Kentucky, another 300. Plumbing companies, Lexington, Kentucky, another 50, and that's keyword difficulty of 1. Lexington, Kentucky plumbing. So again, there's a decent amount of volume here. Once you start ranking, a percentage of that total volume is going to go to your website, and then a percentage of that is going to give you a call. And then depending on your close rate, you turn those into customers. So Trish, I really hope that this video was helpful. Again, I'd love to hear some feedback and thoughts. I appreciate your time. Also, if you got any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to reach out. I can be that resource for you if need be. Hope you have a great day, and thank you for your time.